Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by creating a mobile-first foundation. Add the viewport meta tag and load a single responsive style sheet. Then, make layout decisions with flexible units like %, rem, and VW so elements scale cleanly. Avoid fixed pixels. Next, structure HTML for progressive enhancement. Place critical content first, defer non-essential scripts, and include a lightweight CSS reset. Once done, test with device emulators and a real phone to confirm baseline behavior. Make sure you can reproduce issues before moving to layout rules. You now build flexible layouts with CSS Grid or Flexbox so components reflow smoothly. Create breakpoints tied to where content breaks, not on device lists. Use min-width media queries and test each change. Use clamp and fluid calculations for font sizes and set responsive line height for readability. Make images responsive with max width, 100% and object fit. Cover, lazy load large media. Once implemented, iterate, resize the browser, check touch targets, and adjust padding and hit areas to maintain usability on small screens. You finish by optimizing performance and accessibility. Compress images, serve modern formats, minify CSS, and confirm focus states and semantic landmarks. Deploy to a staging environment and run cross-device QA. Use real devices, emulators, and network throttling. Once live, monitor analytics for layout-related drops and collect screenshots from multiple viewports. If things break, first reproduce the issue. Then isolate CSS by disabling recent rules and checking container widths. That troubleshooting step usually reveals the offending declaration or overflow causing the problem.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.